Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Hey guys, this is Just One Guy, and I'm back here with another update to Project Hermes. Now, in this update, what I did was add an inventory system, and I had an inventory system before, but it wasn't quite working because I updated the program so much. So I'm just going to show you what I did. Now, I think this is an elegant solution because what I learned is to take advantage of the hardware you're using. And so what I did was design this inventory system to be completely usable with a mouse and keyboard. Now what that means is everything works on a drag and drop, so it's very intuitive. But you can also see I've got tooltips. So right here you have your character, and these are all the items you can equip. These all represent basic parts of the armor, the arms, the helms, breastplate, and stuff like that. I just didn't name it first, and also just let me show you how it works. If I equip some test arms, it changes it anyway, so I really didn't add the name yet. I'm going to do that later on. But as you can see, the way everything works is very elegant here. And also, when you actually click to drag this, you can see the area that you could put it in lights up, or you can buy and sell the item to the NPC. It also works if you select one of his items. Let me just go to all. You see I can buy or get this item, and it also works with usable items. I can use this health potion right here. Let me just show you. And it's all workable. Let me just give him 100 health. And you can see this potion right here heals for 10. And right here, so there's no mistaking to where it can go. Normally this wouldn't be present. Right now I have a test menu open, so the NPC is present. But normally you wouldn't be able to open up both these menus at the same time. So right here, if I just hit use, you can see it gave him 10 health. And I've got 48 of these potions left. And overall, I just think this is a really elegant system in the way it works. If I want to sell one, see the buying and selling works. I can give him one. If I go to all. And also, all the items are separated so you can see what they are. Let me give him sell him a breastplate. You can see if I go to usable, it's not showing it anymore. If I go to breastplate, it'll show it. I can give that to him. Now there's still some little stuff that I gotta work on, like what happens if you sell a mass amount of items and everything like that. But overall, I think I really learned from this past year of developing this program, because I've learned to really take advantage of the PC hardware. I was a very console-centric person before, but I realized with the mouse and keyboard that you can just do things easier. So I created this drag and drop system, and everything works on drag and drop rather than just clicking the item. Now, would clicking the item be simpler if I just set it up like that? Yes, but it wouldn't be more intuitive, because what I found about this system is it's very intuitive. Like, see, I have test pants. And right here, everywhere I can put this lights up green, so there's no mistaking where this item goes. And that's what I mean, it's very intuitive. And as soon as you mouse over the item, you get all the information that you need. The effect amount, the range, and everything like that. Right now I only set the abilities up and everything like that, because you can see right here, this health potion heals for 10. And since it's an ability, it's in blue. So you can easily tell what everything is. And that's basically what I've been working on. I've also set it up where you can either go into the menu and directly go into it, or you can just hit I and open the inventory menu up directly. And I think I have quite the usable system for PC. I'm going to tune it later so it also works with a controller. But right now, just on a level of PC, I'm pretty much done with it. I really like the way this drag and drop system works. Now my next thing I'm going to do is start adding stats to the items. I haven't really figured out how to do that yet. all these items do have some stats, but I haven't really found a universal way to do it yet. And so what I'm trying to emulate is either the Dragon Age Inquisition system of how they deal with items, or the Baldur's Gate system of how they deal with items. Either way, I'm gonna make the items exist physically in the world and be able to be picked up and held by the players and stuff like that. And that's what I'm gonna do next. You can see here the items already have like health stat and stuff like that. But overall, I think I've created a really unique system. Also, when you select the item, just so to make sure you know what you selected, it appears down here. And all the items now have icons. I forgot about that. I didn't set these icons up right now, but they do all have an use the icon system that I created in my last video. So everything has an icon. But I really like how clean everything is and how everything is easy to understand without ever being confusing. I'm going to work on these menus a bit more. As you can see, the camera is moving. I've got to fix that. But I wasn't really worried about that. I was mostly worried about getting the item system. Sorry, had a bit of a shutdown there. I don't know. I think it's Windows 11, which is making my computer crash more, but I'm not for sure. Anyway, what I was trying to emphasize is all the stuff that I've learned about designing a system specifically for a platform to be used, because I think I got a lot out of learning to design specifically for mouse and keyboard instead of trying to design for mouse and keyboard, controller, and touch. And overall, I think I've come up with a better system. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.